Hi everyone, it's Mary Anne Baynton from Workplace Strategies for Mental Health. And today I want to share something that a dear friend of mine used to say. Karen Lieberman was the executive director of Mood Disorders Association of Ontario, and we have lost her now, but she was a force to be reckoned with, somebody who went through years of really debilitating depression. She once described for me that she was suicidal for about a decade, but her love for her children stopped her from following through on taking her life. And what happened after that was so amazing, so wonderful what she was able to contribute, that anybody who's in that dark place, I wish you could have met her and really understood that around the corner, maybe a decade around the corner, but around the corner, you can do something amazing with your life. So she used to say, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. Life is about dancing in the rain. And we don't really know who said this the first time, but that idea of, no, okay, this may not be an ideal time in your life. Maybe you're actually even dealing with a clinical mental illness. But what if you could learn to dance in the rain? What if you could learn to embrace whatever is good in life in this moment? That's what Karen did. And that's what we all should be doing right now, is looking around for, how could I bring some joy into my life? How can I get through the dark days, get through the more difficult times, in order to make the best of it, so that when the sun does come out, when life does become much easier, I can look back and say, yes, but I made the best of it. Even when the storm was happening, I danced in the rain. So for Karen, for everybody who has lived through difficult times and have come out the other end, thank you for your inspiration. Thank you for your motivation. Take care and stay safe.